guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Triya. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you the clean look. I have been seeing this all over the internet and I feel like this is basically just a rebranding of the no makeup look. So the clean look is basically just a very natural dewy looking skin, fresh face skin topped with a little feathered brow, rosy cheeks, and also this really sleek hairstyle. So if you want a video on this hairstyle, please let me know in the comments down below so I can do that for you in another video. So yeah, let's just dive into this clean makeup look. So I am actually going to start with a little bit of skincare here because I feel like this is kind of a key component to kind of have this dewy skin. So I am going to use this L'Oreal Paris Micro Essence. I have been using this for a while now and you can tell by that I am loving this, and since I was having like really bad acne, it really helps me with that. Then I'm gonna use this faceshop chia seed lotion, hydro lotion. Yeah, I have this mini one, but I am definitely gonna buy the fuller size because it's so good, and especially I like to use it before my makeup because it gives you that beautiful glow. And also I am going to moisturize my lips, so for that I am going to use my all-time favorite Laneige lip sleeping mask. Then for my moisturizer I am going in with the simple light moisturizer, and it gives you that really hydrated moisturized skin, which is a must have for this clean makeup look. Now I'm gonna use this Fitme primer to prime my face, and this is the dewy and smooth one, and it gives you that nice smooth and dewy base to start with. So the clean look is all about the feathered brow, but I don't have like really bushy eyebrows, as you can see that. But yeah, I am going to use this Essence brow mascara, and I'm going to just feather it out, and I'm going to use it on my natural eyebrows. I'm not going to define it or anything, but yeah. Then for my base I am going in with this Fitme foundation in the shade 220. So I don't have any skin tint or basically like that. I think Fitme foundation is the best like foundation for this look. You can use this as like skin tint, you can use this as a medium coverage, so it's a really buildable. So I am using a really tiny amount and I am blending it with a beauty blender, so it gives you that most natural finish which I needed for this look. So for concealer I am going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Pure Beige. So this is like a really hydrating concealer, and it gives you that medium coverage, so it's really great for this look. Don't use any like full coverage concealer because that don't look natural at all. So yeah, I'm going to let that sit for a while, and I'm going to contour my face, so just a little bit. So it's great to have a really lightly colored contour stick. So I'm using this NYB contour stick in the shade Toffee, which is a lightweight contour shade. Now I'm going to blend the concealer with my concealer brush, and yeah, I am using a brush because I want like some coverage on my like under eyes because I have some dark circles. So yeah, but you can use a beauty blender too. Now I'm going to blend the contour, so I'm using a beauty blender here so that there is no like harsh line or something like that. It looks really natural actually. Next up, I'm going to use some liquid blush. So this is the Revolution baby tint in the shade Rose. This is like a really pinkish kind of cheek tint. So I'm blending it with a beauty blender and it gives you that dewy finish, which is like love it. Then I'm going to lightly set my under eyes because they are really prone to creasing, but if you don't want to set your under eyes, that's fine. I was thinking okay, my cheeks are not rosy enough, so I am going in with this L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature lipstick. I'm going to use it on my back of the hand and warm it up by using a beauty blender. I am going to use it on my cheeks, and look at this, like how beautiful it is. It looks really rosy, and yeah, I'm blending it in, and yeah, I'm really loving this rosy beautiful cheeks. And also I'm going to use it on my nose. Then for highlighter, I needed a really natural highlighter, so this is the Bella Voste highlighter, and this is a really natural highlighter, like stick highlighter. It don't have that chunky glitters on it, so it is perfect for this look. I am going in with my fingers and blending it with my fingers, so it gives you that natural flush of highlight. Look at how gorgeous my skin looks. Now it's time for my lashes. I'm curling my lashes and use some mascara, and for the mascara I am using this Essence mascara, which is a really good mascara for this look because it gives you that natural like look, which is great. It don't clumps up your eyelashes, which is great. So yeah, next up I am going to highlight my inner corner. So for that I am going to use this powder highlighter by Revolution, and this is in the shade Dare to Divulge. Look how highlighter can change your whole look. I really like to use like highlighters on my inner corner because it just wakes up your eyes instantly. So yeah, I'm going to use it on my nose too. Then I am going in with a lipstick, so I am going to use this L'Oreal lipstick. I'm not using a lot of it. I am using a little bit on the lips and also blending it with my fingers, so it gives you that natural flush of color on your lips. Then I'm going in with lip gloss. So this is the Sweet Beauty lip gloss, clear lip gloss, and yeah, I'm using it on the top of my lips. So yeah, that's it for this look. I am really happy that this is a trend. It's kind of nice to embrace your skin and your features because it's 2022 and it's high time we should love ourselves and just embrace your beauty. Like, you are beautiful, and yeah, you have to just enhance your features a little bit. So yeah, you are beautiful, you are gorgeous. Like, always think about it, you are beautiful, nobody is going to judge you, okay? So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then please let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, and be gorgeous. Bye.